Hey guys, a brief note about cough, cold, COVID, and flu season. It's that time of year. It can't be helped. You know, we don't have any mandatory masking at this point in time. It seems like it's trending downward, I guess, as far as the masking goes, but you never know. I noticed that in Starbucks that they have made those partitions go away now, and I believe they're maskless as well. So, but that's still, we need to be precautious about cough and cold season. And similar to last year, what I'd like to ask is that if you are symptomatic at all, regardless whether it's cough, cold, COVID, or flu, don't come to the studio, okay? Please do everybody a favor in your community so that you won't cross-infect anybody else. So we just have to be a little bit more mindful, a little bit more sensitive. Actually, if you try to come and do a workout while you're sick, it goes against you. So just stay home. We're going to continue the daily cleaning procedures that we have here at the studio. We're also still running the Remy Halo system, which filters the air and zaps the air of any types of viruses and even including COVID, okay? So just be mindful and sensitive about the others within the studio. And if you're sick, just stay home. You'll be fine soon enough, and then you can come back when you're better, okay?